Wow, okay, there's something straight ahead. That looks kind of cool. Hey, that looks kind of cool. Hey, I like this. So when we come out, looks like we can go right into this little thing that's all the way down that way. So yeah, kind of interesting. Okay, so I'm going to narrate from this moment on. And basically we're in Hengqin Island. I'm going to be starting at the University of Macau, and then we're going to be going into near Studio City, a casino on the Taipa side, and then take a bus. And I'm going to be filming it all, and then I'll go through immigration and come out over here in Hengqin Port. So stay tuned for all of this. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, let me give you a little context. We're at the University of Macau. Let me just kind of give you a little 360 of it. And what we're going to do is go to the other side over the wall, and we're going to see what that's all about. And you can see a little bit of references to those hills over there. And there's a wall way in the distance. I'm not going to go to it in this particular video, but I am going to go to that other side, and we're going to check it all out over on the Hengqin side of Macau. Okay, so they're all going to the Hengqin, and then that's right over there is the bridge that goes all the way to mainland China. So we're gonna just follow it and walk and show you exactly where that's at. But let's walk over here a little bit. Actually, this has changed too. There's a whole waterfront you can walk along right here. But that right over there is Hengqin. And you can see the University of Macau right there. And sometimes you can actually read the signs as well. There it is right there, University of Macau. It's in Portuguese, Universidade de Macau. So we started there on that campus, which is actually on Hengqin, and then there's a water right here. And we're going to try to go over that bridge, so we'll probably follow those tourists and see where they're going, and then we'll take it across. Lots of buses up there as well. So yeah, we're going to try to explore as much as we can. So this is going to be the first video getting over there, and then we'll do some more stuff walking around and seeing what we actually see. So okay, that's going to be next. Yet when or what it will look like exactly, but that'll be interesting. Lotus Frontier. We're still on the Macau side. Okay, this Lotus Frontier is next to Studio City, right over there. One of the casinos, Parisians in the background. And so that's where we're going to go right now, Hengqin. So Cotai, if you do the U-turn, you'll be in the casinos. It's actually part of Studio City too. They have a amusement park up there. Macau license plates now. Macau can go to Hengqin, but only if you're Chinese. If you're a foreigner, Macau residency, you cannot buy a car. But maybe that'll change in the future, I hope. So over there is the University of Macau. So you can see the sign. So they built that sign facing this way a long time ago, and now it's more realized. And this is the side of the Cotai Strip over there. So that's the China side, and that's the Macau side. They're doing a lot of construction over there, so we're going to do a bunch of videos today, and later we'll have another video with that area if all goes planned well. Kind of interesting though. I can also see a waterfront now too. There's also some beauty. It's kind of interesting. You can see all these new developments. There's little villas right there. Those are for kind of wealthy. So we're going to end up down here in a little bit. We have to go through that immigration point there now. A lot of empty buildings. Those will be fully realized in the future. And that's Macau side. Koloman. University of Macau. There's a wall, so you can't go across it. That's part of Macau side. Then you need a visa to get over to this side. That's University of Macau over there. Wow, so it says it's in Portuguese too, and there's a big Macau emblem right there. So para Hengqin, it's all in Portuguese, and the University of Macau is right over there as well. So University of Macau, you can see the university, and then all in Portuguese. And we're gonna head over there as well. And Macau's over there. Wow. Pretty cool. Okay, so arrival is Hengqin. And looks like we have airport bus, taxis, long distance buses, and you can actually go out as well. So we're gonna go check that all out. Okay, so here's the south gate, sightseeing buses. Looks like you can catch a sightseeing bus. I don't know, that's interesting. Looks like that's still being realized. That's University of Macau over there, over on that side. Private vehicles, so I don't know. So it looks like this one is maybe to go around that way. Let's look at all the different exits and we decide which one to go. So it looks like this was more for buses and taxis down here. That says railways and buses, so I don't know. It looks like we might be able to go all the way down towards our railway, down that way. This just says North Gate, so it says cross-border commuter line, sightseeing bus. We'll just walk out and just kind of see what we can see. It looks like there's airport bus, taxis, long distance bus, so this is another bus line area. So yeah, North Gate. So we'll just kind of peek out all the different gates, see what we can see here. It's pretty cool. So I think we're going to see if we can go out that way. There's a Bank of China over there, and there's a whole little complex in here as well. Looks pretty cool. The Motai 7-Eleven over there. So we're going to try to see if we can go down. So I think there's a bus and a railway that way, so we're going to walk down that way. So yeah, we basically are on the Zhuhai Hengqin side for Macau. So I think there's people walking straight ahead, so we're going to do that as well. There's a big sign to up all the ruins and Macau Tower, advertising a music festival. So I don't know if this is in China Hengqin. So it's a little bit confusing. There's Portuguese everywhere as well. There's McDonald's. I saw a sign for that. It must be around there somewhere, to Macau. And I think we're going to be able to go right out that way. And I think if we go down, I think that's a train line maybe. We're going to try to go out. Schematic plane. There's a railway underpass. So it might be an underpass if we could go maybe that way. Okay, so here's the west gate. So we saw the north gate, south gate. It looks like, wow, okay, there's something straight ahead. That looks kind of cool. Hey, that looks kind of cool. Hey, I like this. So when we come out, looks like we can go right into this little thing that's all the way down that way. So yeah, kind of interesting. So let's do that. Let's take this escalator down. It's my first time to see this. It's so funny. So now I'm on the right side in Macau, everything's on the left side. And it looks like you got this whole little space in here. This could be really nice at nighttime. And then it says Hengqin Port right there. Wow. Okay, this is kind of cool. And check out all these apartments straight ahead too. Wow. There's actually like kind of futuristic. Huh. So this is my first time to come over here and see what it looks like. It looks totally different than I thought. I thought it would be like not so developed, like not much was over here, because when I first came about 5 years ago, there's really nothing else around here. Let's go that way. So it's behind me is the Hengqin Port. Wow. Okay. And it looks like we have all these little apartments like that way up there. Oh, those are nice. Yeah, if you could get back and forth, as if I should tell you, it took about an hour for me to get across. It was such a slow process. Let's walk over to this side. But yeah, it's such a slow process. But yeah, later I could see this whole thing being very, very full with people. Huh. That looks pretty dang cool. Wow. And it looks like there's some kind of underpass. Looks like it's going to be filled with shops and such. So it says underpass, and we could have went to underpass from the station, but I didn't really know what it was. Huh, okay, let me just kind of sort things out a little bit. So yeah, I think this is going to be later just filled with people. Huh. It's pretty amazing. Hengqin, Shintak. Wow, I think Hengqin is going to be kind of cool. I didn't know if it was going to be cool or not, but I can see it is. Dang. Okay, okay. So it looks like the only way to get over there is to go down these ways, which is closed right now. Or maybe we could go down that way through the underpass, or we could try to go across. I'm going to try to do the underpass. We're going to try to get over that building, and then we'll end this one. Oh, I don't want to go underneath there, so I'm just going to keep on going. We'll see. So my goal is to get over on that side. And I think there's some people who look like they might be trying to get across as well. So anyways, this is the entrance into Hengqin. And I'm going to be doing a lot more videos of Hengqin as well, based on what I'm seeing today. Pretty cool. It's a financial district, future financial district. So yeah, we are going to try to go over there if we can. Just kind of see. Looks really cool. Hengqin Port. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.